These 8 cleanup gadgets cut my after-dinner mess down to a few quick minutes. I ranked them from 8 down to 1, and number 1 made scrubbing almost disappear. Number 8. A dish squeegee that wipes plates clean before they ever hit the sink. One swipe scrapes off the mess so nothing clogs your drain. Under $9 and it hangs by the sink. Link in the description. Number 7. A sink caddy that stops the soggy sponge puddle for good. It holds your sponge and brush up high so everything dries fast. About $11 and it sticks on with no drilling. Link below. Number 6. A soap dispensing brush that puts detergent right where you scrub. Squeeze the handle and soap flows straight into the bristles. No bottle needed. Around $10 for a set with refill heads. Link in the description. Number 5. A sink strainer that catches every scrap so the drain never clogs. It sits right in the drain and lifts out to empty in one motion. Under $8 for a 2-pack. Link below. Number 4. A roll-up drying rack that turns your sink into extra counter space. Unroll it over the sink to dry dishes, then roll it away when you are done. About $15 and it holds heavy pots. Link in the description. Number 3. A chainmail scrubber that cleans cast iron without wrecking it. The steel rings lift stuck on food but leave the seasoning behind. Around $12 and it lasts for years. Link below. Number 2. A drain snake tool that clears a slow sink in under a minute. Slide it down, twist, and pull out the gunk that was blocking the flow. Under $9 for a pack. Link in the description. Number 1. An electric spin scrubber that makes scrubbing almost disappear. Press it against grease, and the spinning head does all the hard work. Around $30 rechargeable, and it is a game changer. Link in the description. Every link is waiting in the description, sorted from 8 to 1. Tell me which chore you hate most, and I will see you in the next one.